All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update, my 1000 day challenge. This is day 116. So you can see the balance is now up a little bit from yesterday. That's due to a close trade from the experimental trade setup. Bearing in mind that it's still causing the negative in that sense. Yeah, that's something to take note of. And yeah, okay, so in terms of the market update, I wouldn't say there's a major change from last week to today. You can see it's remaining the same. S&P 500 looks to be bearish in terms of short-term wise on the daily chart. There's a bearish market structure, but otherwise, overall, I still see it's a healthy kind of retracement and pullback. For Nasdaq, it does look like it's consolidating right below resistance. So to me, it's a good sign that we could potentially break towards the upside. So potentially, I could add a little bit more for Nasdaq as well. And for ASA Shah, it actually broke up and closed above the recent high as well. So similarly, it's looking good near-term wise. And for KWEB, however, it's more of a consolidation similar to Nasdaq. So it seems like the tech for both Nasdaq and KWEB for US and China market is consolidating right now. That's what I can see. All right, and then moving on in terms of Bitcoin wise. So yeah, for Bitcoin wise, you can see that the daily chart is still looking bullish in that sense. Okay, so yeah, so basically it's still the same as yesterday. Nothing has changed. I've entered the long. And one thing that I would like to point out is that today we actually broke again a new all-time recent high. So the peak was actually around 19.1K. So there was there for like a short period of time. But overall, I do lean towards further upside in near term. But of course, if it does overstretch too far from this 20 exponential moving average on the daily chart, I do expect a much sharper pullback. Myself right now is still going up, yes, but it seems like in a very controlled kind of pace. But do bear in mind that volume is dwindling down, which means to say that the volume that prices is happening over here is decreased, which means to say that the amount of volume that's required to push it down will be less as well. So there's something to bear in mind, and that results in sharper pullback kind of formation. So I'm definitely still leaving cash for say when it reaches the 20 exponential moving average or even the 50 simple moving average for long-term investment wise, although I still consistently add when it comes to dollar cost averaging approach. So yeah, that's basically about it. I'm still sticking to this trade as long as price does not close below the 50 simple moving average. Then yeah, I will continue to trail it. And yep, that's about it. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.